Cinco de Mayo. Thank you for joining me in video 2. Our instructions tell us to illustrate, color, and write this yellow sentence stem. Let's read it together. Ready? I learned that Cinco de Mayo. Blank. What did you learn about Cinco de Mayo today? I hope you found a fact to draw and write and color for me. Let's get our journals started together, but then you will write your fact by yourself. Pencils ready. Papers ready. You know what's today's date. Cinco, the 5th of May. Give me a 5 for May, a 5 for today, and 2021 for our year. Save that spot for a beautiful, colorful Cinco de Mayo picture. And come down to our first line. We have to begin our sentence with a capital letter. We've got a capital letter, I. Everybody go to your first line. Repeat it and write it. I, finger space. I what? Learned. Learned. Start with an L. E-A, earn. E-D says D. Check that word. Learned. Finger space. That. At. At. I learned that. Finger. Cinco. Now, why is there a capital letter C here? Because that's not the beginning of the sentence. Why is there a capital? It's a name. A name of a holiday. Give me a capital letter C. Cinco. Cinco. Finger. De. D-E says de. I learned that Cinco de, the 5th of what month are we celebrating? May. Give me Mayo. Mayo. Check what we've got so far. Ready? I learned that Cinco de Mayo. What? Here's where you are going to teach me a fact you learned about Cinco de Mayo. I have some pictures to remind you some of those Cinco de Mayo facts. Take a look here. Remember that battle in Puebla? Mexico was fighting France. Who won? Mexico, Mexico. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now we celebrate with music, dancing, parades, piñatas, singing, and lots of fun stuff. We got food, we got festivals. All of these are ways that people celebrate. Or you can tell me about why are they celebrating. That battle, Mexico won. They defeated France. Look at these pictures to remember. What did you learn about Cinco de Mayo? You can start with your illustration up top. Show me a colorful, pretty picture. And then write to complete the sentence. What did you learn? I learned the Cinco de Mayo. They celebrate by what? Mexico defeated who? What happened? Or what do they do? Draw a picture, write your sentence, and end it with a period. When you're done, take a picture to turn in to me in Google Classroom. If you have time, there is an extra video here for you waiting to enjoy some tacos and a read aloud with me, and send me a picture of you enjoying a taco or celebrating Cinco de Mayo today. Adios, amigos.